Are you tired of spending hours on writing and editing? What if I told you there's a way to streamline your process, saving both time and money? Imagine enhancing your writing skills while unlocking the potential to earn extra income. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a fantastic tool that can transform how you create content. Stay tuned to discover how you can elevate your writing game and start making money with just a few clicks. The tool I'm excited to introduce you to today is QuillBot, an advanced AI writing assistant designed to elevate your writing experience. Whether you're crafting essays, reports, or blog posts, QuillBot helps you enhance your content effortlessly. With features like paraphrasing, grammar checking, and summarizing, it's perfect for anyone looking to improve their writing quality while saving time. What's great about QuillBot is its user-friendly interface and powerful algorithms that can transform your ideas into polished pieces in no time. Plus, it's cost-effective, making professional writing accessible to everyone. If you're ready to take your writing to the next level, click the link in the description to grab an exclusive offer and start using QuillBot today. Now that we've explored the incredible potential of QuillBot as a writing assistant, let's focus on one of its most powerful features: the paraphraser. This tool is designed to help you effortlessly rewrite and refine your content, ensuring your ideas shine through clearly and effectively. Upon opening the application, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface that allows you to paste your text or type directly into the designated box. One of the standout features of the paraphraser is the flexibility to choose from various modes, including standard, fluency, and simple. Each mode tailors the output to suit your writing style and purpose. For example, the fluency mode guarantees that your paraphrased text flows seamlessly, while the simple mode emphasizes clarity, making it perfect for educational content or those new to English. Let's put it to the test with a practical example. Suppose you start with the sentence, "QuillBot is a useful tool for paraphrasing sentences and improving writing quality." After pasting this into the text box, simply click the rephrase button, and let's take a look at the result together. You can also fine-tune the synonym usage with an adjustable slider, giving you control over the level of variation in your rephrased content. Choose more synonyms for a rich vocabulary, or fewer for straightforwardness. QuillBot also supports multiple languages, making it an excellent option for multilingual users needing to paraphrase text across different languages without sacrificing the original meaning. With just a few clicks, you can enhance your writing, avoid plagiarism, and keep your content engaging and clear. Now, let's explore QuillBot's Grammar Checker, a vital tool that ensures your writing is polished and error-free. When you open the Grammar Checker, you'll find an intuitive interface that allows you to start by writing or pasting your text directly into the designated area. You can also upload a document in formats like DOC or PDF for a more comprehensive check. This tool will analyze your writing for grammatical errors, punctuation mistakes, and even stylistic issues, ensuring that your content reads smoothly. Let's take a practical example. Imagine you have a paragraph full of sentences, and you want to ensure everything is grammatically correct. Simply paste your text here and click to check it. As you can see, the Grammar Checker will underline any issues, providing you with suggestions highlighted in green for recommendations and underlined in red for grammatical errors. QuillBot's advanced algorithms excel at detecting not only common mistakes but also nuanced errors that can slip past even the most seasoned writers. With its real-time feedback, you can refine your writing effortlessly and boost your overall writing quality. Now let's take a closer look at QuillBot's AI Detector, a valuable tool designed to analyze whether a piece of text is AI-generated, partially AI-modified, or entirely human-written. The interface is incredibly user-friendly. On the left side, you have a text input box where you'll paste the content you want to analyze. For the most accurate results, it's important to input at least 80 words. Once you've done that, simply click on the Analyze Text button, and the system will start processing your content to evaluate its origins. On the right side of the screen, you'll receive a detailed breakdown of the results in percentages. These percentages will tell you how much of the text is likely to fall into one of 4 distinct categories. This breakdown offers you insights into the level of AI involvement in the creation or refinement of your content, which is especially useful when determining authenticity or originality. For instance, after analyzing a passage, you might see results like 57% AI generated, 0% AI generated and AI refined, 0% human written and AI refined, and 43% human written. This means that the text was primarily generated by AI, with a noticeable portion written by a human. The absence of AI-refined content suggests no intermediate editing or refinement was done by AI. This kind of analysis helps you pinpoint where AI had the most influence and offers clarity on areas that might need revision to ensure more human-authored content. Now, let's take a look at QuillBot's Plagiarism Checker, a powerful tool designed to ensure the originality of your content. With real-time reporting and analysis, it scans your text against vast databases, including books, academic papers, and web content, to identify potential instances of plagiarism. You'll receive a detailed report that highlights areas needing proper citation, making it easy to address any issues. Additionally, QuillBot's Plagiarism Checker supports over 100 languages, allowing you to verify content seamlessly across various languages. Let's explore QuillBot's Summarizer, a tool that helps you condense any text quickly and efficiently. With a user-friendly interface, it allows you to paste or upload your document and generate a summary instantly. You can choose between paragraph or bullet point formats depending on what suits your needs. Adjust the summary length with a simple slider, giving you full control over how much detail to keep. Let's try an example together and see the summarized result in action. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just need a quick overview, QuillBot's Summarizer has got you covered. This feature is perfect for anyone looking to save time and get the key points from articles, reports, or any lengthy text. Now that we've explored the Summarizer feature, let's shift our focus to another incredibly useful tool, QuillBot's Free Citation Generator. Creating accurate citations has never been easier. Whether you need APA, MLA, or Chicago style, this tool has got you covered with over 1,000 different citation styles. You can simply paste the title, URL, DOI, or keywords into the search bar to generate citations instantly. Plus, you can upload a PDF or manually input the source if needed. The citation generator is perfect for students, researchers, and writers who want to ensure their work is properly cited and plagiarism-free. With unlimited use, you can create, edit, and save citations for free, without any restrictions. Let's take a look at how easy it is to cite a source. I'll show you an example so you can see how quick and seamless the process is. Just watch as I generate a citation in a few simple steps. It's incredibly efficient and user-friendly. Let's dive into the final feature that enhances your writing experience with QuillBot Flow. With QuillBot Flow, you can start by creating your own project or file, or you can choose from a wide variety of templates to streamline your work. These templates are neatly categorized, making it easy to find exactly what you need, whether it's for academic, professional, or personal use. From APA-style research papers and Harvard essays to job descriptions and cover letters, everything is just a click away. Once you've selected the job description template, the main screen of QuillBot Flow opens up, providing a sleek, user-friendly interface. On the right side, you'll find powerful tools like Research, Sources, Notes, AI Review, and the Plagiarism Checker, all designed to make your writing process smoother and more efficient. At the bottom, you have essential tools to paraphrase, summarize, or translate text with ease. If you need inspiration, the Suggest Text feature can provide fresh ideas. Additional features include a word count, error-checking capabilities to highlight mistakes, and a text-to-speech function to read your content aloud. At the top, the familiar toolbar offers a range of text editing options. You can even share a link with friends or colleagues for real-time collaboration, perfect for team projects or getting quick feedback. This blend of powerful tools and collaboration truly makes QuillBot Flow a robust and versatile workspace. To truly enhance your experience with QuillBot, I recommend checking out QuillBot for Chrome. With just a click, you can add it to your browser from the Chrome Web Store, making it super easy to access QuillBot's features while you work online. Additionally, consider exploring the range of apps and extensions available, including QuillBot for Word, QuillBot for macOS, and QuillBot for Edge. These tools are designed to integrate seamlessly into your writing process, allowing you to optimize your productivity no matter where you are. Now that you've seen the powerful features and how QuillBot can transform your writing, let's talk about pricing. QuillBot offers a premium plan at just $4.17 per month when billed annually. This affordable pricing gives you unlimited access to all its features, ensuring you can paraphrase without limits, enhance your grammar, and even prevent plagiarism, all while staying within budget. QuillBot's pricing is designed to provide incredible value for anyone serious about improving their writing. If you want to take advantage of this great deal, click the link in the description to unlock a special offer. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your writing game. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this overview of QuillBot helpful and are excited to try out its powerful features for yourself. Remember, with QuillBot you can save time and improve your writing effortlessly. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to check the link in the description for that special offer on QuillBot. Happy writing, and I'll see you in the next video.